Hi everybody, Cannabeard Grows here. How you doing? How you doing? I hope you're all well. If you've been following along, you might know that I'm about to start a community cup project. We've been working on it for a few months, and finally the seeds have all come in. Everything is starting to line up, and we're about to start, well, the community gardening project within the community. It's actually really super cool. So make sure you hit that subscribe button down below to stay tuned for more of that action, and hit, while you're down there, hit that like button if you do enjoy this content, that is. Anyway, on with the main smile of the show here. Today we're unboxing part of that project, actually. That project I'm going to be growing in 2 tents, one of which is a VIVOSUN 3x3 tent. And I love trying out new things when they arrive, when they come on the market. I realize sometimes that means I get some bunk stuff and whatever, man. It's just still, somebody's got to test it for YouTube purposes. And why not me? Why not? Anyway, I got something cool in this box, and I'm really excited to show it off to you guys. So here we go. This is brand new technology, fresh off the floor room. There we go. Look at that. You know what that is? I think you do. Well, it says it's a VIVOSUN full spectrum grow light. 120 volt cord. Woo, doggy. Slim design. Look at this. Look at this. If they're not lying, that's insane. Wow. And I don't think they're gonna lie, but like, dang. Well, I guess we'll see. We'll see if they're telling the truth or not. Anyway, let's crack this puppy open, man. I believe this is very, very, very similar to another light, which actually is going to be going into the tent right beside it. So we got a nice manual here, full color, lots of stuff. I tell you, it is a sexy looking light. I'm not gonna lie. I think it looks really cool. All this black and stuff, like, hopefully they didn't just put all of their eggs into the basket of just making it look cool. So we got some hardware or something in here, I'm hearing. Okay, here's that cable they were bragging about. So there's the cable, and then we got some, looks like some hanging rods. Oh, yeah. Some hanging rods. Okay, let's put those aside. Let's put that aside. What's in this other box over here? Ooh, there's more stuff. What could this be? We've already got the cords and stuff. What else could this be? Oh. Hey, a pair of frickin' green sunglasses. And some cleaning cloth. It says VIVOSUN on it. Does it say? Oh, it does say VIVOSUN on the shades. Holy grandpa shades, though, hey? Check these puppies out. Those will protect you. Those will keep wood shavings and metal shavings out of your eyes, too. Those are like almost protective glasses. Oh, and a rope hangers kit. Cool. Not bad. Not bad. Now, we got this foam protective dilly right here. Let's get that out of here. All right, here we go. Wah, 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 wah. Oh, it's got a big weird plastic thing on it. Oh yeah, look at this. It's got a big old plastic tray. Big O. VIVOSUN. You know what? This thing looks exactly like that other board. I'm not going to say its name. You know what it is. You can mention it in comments. If you know what I'm talking about, you can post it in the comments below. But this thing looks identical to that other unit. I'm not going to fib, man. This is pretty skookum. Oh, that feels nice. Ooh, feel that. Chunk, chunk, chunk. Oh, yeah. So we're at 50%. Oh, you can't turn it off. That's a little bit of a bummer. I truly wish there was an off there. That's my only complaint so far with this. Although I will say that feels nice. So it's got a 50%, 75%, 100%. I would have liked an actual dial. I like a dial where I can turn it all the way off, personally. Because I don't see a switch. Yeah, there doesn't seem to be an on-off on this bad boy. Okay, well, let's get all this other stuff out of the way here. All right, let's stick it down there, and then, well, let's do what we came here for. Let's fire this puppy up, man. Let's see what this thing looks like with some power coming through it. Okay, and I even got a wattage thing on the wall there. I don't know what the heck it's called. I can't think of the name right now, but there we go. That's actually good to see that it's an angled one, and it's angled at least in the right way. Whoa, man. Okay, hold on. Let's dial this puppy back. Let's get this down to frickin' 50%. Oh my god, 50% my arse. That is so bright. 75%. Do I notice? Yeah, I do see a difference. And then 100%. I don't know if 100% and 50. Oh yeah, I guess it would. That is about. Yeah, looking at my wall, I'd say that's about right. It's pretty cool though, man. Pretty cool indeed. Okay, now unfortunately, I just got to pull the plug on this thing to shut it off because there's no switch. It doesn't actually switch. That's kind of a drag. Not gonna lie. Now, these things are a little different than most because they slide in kind of like, they even got this, I noticed that right away, that they got a little hook on the ends of them. I like that. So anyway, we're going to be going like this, right? Into these little things like that. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, that feels all right, actually. That doesn't feel bad at all. That feels better than a straight through. I like that there's a little hook, that they decided, you know what, we need a little lip on that thing. Oh, come on, that's my bad hand. Hold on. I'm going to do this off camera. Come on. There we go. Okay. There we go. So yeah, that actually not only looks pretty good with that little lip there, but I'm feeling that's pretty secure. That's actually better than a lot of other designs for, and the cool thing is, if you really want to, this fits directly over the pole. So you can stick this right at the very tippity top of your tent. I'm probably not going to do that directly. I'm going to want to be able to adjust it a little bit. And I actually can do such a thing because, well, they give me a nice little hanger. Yeah. So anyway, I'm going to go and set this up into this other tent here, and I'll show you in a second. There's really not much to show you as far as setup. It's so easy. It's just a matter of hanging it. So anyway, I'll show you in just a moment. All right, here we are over in the 3x3 VIVOSUN tent, and I think it looks pretty awesome in here. Yeah, it's a little bit small, but I am only going to be growing one plant under here. And let's have a look here. This thing is maxed out on 100%, and that actual wall draw from this unit, this brand new unit here. So here we go. Let's turn it on. This is full blast. Looks like 106 watts. 106 watts at full blast. That's not a lot of wattage. Have to see what kind of output we can get out of it. So make sure you stay tuned and subscribe and all that action, and you'll see my entry here soon for the community cup. And I'm gonna have one plant growing into this. So yeah, see you real soon. Hope you enjoy.